Hi friends, good afternoon. Yeah, today is Thursday, 11th of March 2021, and the time now is 6 o'clock p.m. So I just want to give you an update about this concrete ramp. So basically I already completed 8 strips of concrete ramp and the small strips of 9, 10, 11 and 12 strips. So I just leave this area here because as you can see there's a lot of vegetables is still growing. So once everything has been harvested, that's the time I'm gonna do the concrete ramp. So probably just guessing, maybe 2 to 3 weeks from now. Yeah. So I also completed the reinstatement of soil along the ramp. As you can see now, it's properly compacted, and probably tomorrow we're gonna do the mowing to make it this area tidy. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just happy with the progress of this concrete footpath or ramp. Yeah, and happy that I have another area where I can plant the pechay. So once all this pechay or bokchoy, they call it here in New Zealand. So that's the time I'm gonna start cleaning this wall, because I'm gonna use a chemical to clean this as you can see, this algae. So chemical can be taken it out. That's why I cannot clean it while there's still some vegetables growing alongside of that wall. So again, once all this pechay has been harvested, that's the time I'm gonna clean the walls around the house basically, and fix those crack on that corner of windows. Alright, folks, thank you for your time, and yeah, if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, please do so. My YouTube channel is The Great Kiwinoy, Kiwinoy of New Zealand. Yeah, so you can get update every time I upload videos. Yeah. By the way, today is already alert level 2 in New Zealand. So the government has allowed about 100 of people to get together. So hopefully next week we go down to level 1 until it becomes normal again. Alright, friends, so my subscribers, viewers, and other people watching my YouTube channel, thank you so much, and God bless. Please be safe, and bye for now. See you next time.